Huda Beauty is launching some liquid matte mousse lip products, and I have them here today. So let's get started. Let me show you what these are all about. Look at this beautiful PR magazine that I have here. This shows you different combinations of all of the liquid matte mousse products. So gorgeous. Now, if you go back, I want to say like 2017, 18, matte lips were the thing, and I remember trying them so like religiously to make them work for me, but I just couldn't make matte work for me. So I'm really curious about these because I do have a lot of her liquid stain from back in the day that I absolutely loved, but these are supposed to be a little different, so let's give them a try. First off, here I have this adorable, beautiful scarf. It says Huda. So first things first, let's get this baby on. Got these adorable little holders here. So you know what I love about these is that if my lip products ever leak or stain or like just get out of their container, this is not going to make a mess in the rest of my purse. So I really appreciate it. So basically this is what we're working with. Huda Beauty, you spoiled me. Oh my goodness, like what in the world? This is amazing. I have all of these contour lip liners that I love, and then all of these mousse, these new mousse products are those bigger boxes in the front. Look at all of the shades, look at all of the colors. Let's get this off and let's get started. I'm gonna wipe off what I had going on today and start new with this new product. Okay, so right away, of course, my favorite combinations are like a darker brown with a light pink. So I went in, I'm going to build this look today with rich brown, the contour stick, and then also I have deep rose. I'm going to kind of layer those together, and then I want to try this out with rosy nude and baby pink. Let's see what this looks like. I am not new to the contour sticks from Huda, because I love them and I've used them for years. They're kind of buttery, but one thing I really like about them is they're self-rolling, and so you don't have to have a sharpener with you, but you still get that nice precision. Now going over that rich brown, I'm taking the deep rose. And I just want to feather those together, just kind of blend that a little bit like an ombre. Taking a Q-tip, I'm just going to clean up that line. Let's have a look at these. So we have the liquid matte mousse here. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and just kind of show you the texture here. Ooh, it is like a mousse. Look at this. What a beautiful color. Look at this. Oh, nice. It almost feels like a lipstick in this really cool applicator. I love that. And this shade is beautiful. I actually think this lighter shade is good enough for me for the look I want to do today. So I want to apply it with the applicator and show you. So even though I have some on my hand, I'm going to go right in with my applicator. This works to blend that in so well. That feels so hydrating on my lips. That doesn't feel like a matte product. If you think of like a mousse dessert or pastry, that is what that feels like on my lips. It's like hydrating. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. That's really pretty. I have given this time to try. This feels hydrating still. It looks beautiful. It feels like a cloud on my lips. I'm not even kidding you. It's so soft. It's just like buttery soft. I really love these new liquid matte mousses. Like this might be my new favorite look. I love that. And I love this combination that I have. So if you have any questions about the colors or about how this wears, leave your comments below. I think this is a win. I really like these products and I like this combination so much. It literally matches the scarf perfectly. So thanks for making it to the end of this video. And if you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Take care.